Good morning, welcome. The doors are always wide open for you at my place. Have a great day, particularly those doors. Let someone inform me that size does not hold any significance, especially the one who lives in the barn. Of course, in a modern barn, this is my dream. Living in a modern barn, huge spaces, huge glazings. For an architect, so many possibilities that words are not enough. However, the front of such a barn represents the foundation and serves as the business card of our house, which happens to be a barn structure. Please pay attention to these doors. These doors are of a large size, but they are very simple and easy to handle with minimal effort. Nevertheless, if you just take a glance at their walking, you'll see that it's as if they bear no weight whatsoever due to the fact that their movements are so light and effortless. Are anchored at the top and bottom, but with displacement. Look, there is a shift, and now, with such large doors, this solution makes them visually smaller, more minimalist in appearance. So it is a combination of something that may be abstract for certain individuals, like something large that has the ability to be light in weight or easily opened and moved around. These are the pivot doors. They can have dimensions with a width of 2.5 meters and a height of up to 3.4 meters. So you can truly say that the doors of the barn simply need to be pulled out and fly away, right? As they used to say in the old days. The finish you want. Basically, I'll just tell you that black aluminum is trendy now, while this front, in this case, we have aluminum that mimics the appearance of wood, but the slats on the inside can actually be crafted from authentic wood, providing a natural warmth to the interior of our apartment. A fantastic solution for individuals who are considering constructing a small barn of up to 70 square meters. It is well known that currently such projects are in high demand. Houses can be constructed without any permit, and for the acquisition of such Mirox pivot doors, they will not require any permit, absolutely.